guys, welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new, I'm Brooke and I'm back home visiting family in Louisiana. I'm literally about to go get my bangs cut right now because they just got so long and I need them shorter. But I've been out in the sun all day. I went swimming with my dog, laid out, and yeah, that's about it.
You chicken drumsticks and a picture sausage jalapeno cheddar. Or do I just have the best friends ever?
You have the best friend ever.
God, mommy.
Alright, this is the Brooke and Dad secret handshake. Ready? Ready.
Hi guys, it's now Sunday. I'm picking up Destiny right now. We're gonna go have dinner with Miranda and I'm super excited. I haven't seen Miranda in a bit, so very excited to see her. It is literally 90 degrees out right now. 90 degrees, isn't that insane? Also, why am I so bright? There we go. So, I cut my bangs yesterday a lot shorter. I think they look so cute. And then I'm gonna get my roots touched up in the morning. But I'm just waiting on Destiny right now. We're gonna go to La Coretta for dinner. I'm craving the margaritas and the tableside guac. That's what I want so bad. But first we're gonna go grab coffee at Luma while we wait on Miranda. And yeah, I'm super excited. I laid out today and I swam. I went swimming, literally by myself. But it was so nice out and I just got some sun. So I'm looking a little bit tanner today, which is fun. But yeah, just waiting on Des. So I'm gonna call her, see where she is at. So yeah. Guys, at Luma with Des.
I got a hot coffee even though it's hot.
You got caramel?
Yeah,
Caramel latte. And then I got an iced oat milk something.
This is a little design they did in that. It's a heart.
Guys, this is seriously the best coffee I've ever had in my life. And I know I say that every time I get coffee, but this time I really mean it. We're at La Coretta. We just left Luma. The coffee was super, super good today.
Yes, it was good.
It was really good.
Marvin met us there. Did he leave?
Marvin had to go.
Okay, Marvin had to leave.
But yeah, I really want some tableside guac. That was a great clip. That was 10 out of 10. Okay, guys, there's Miranda and Des. We got queso. We're getting tableside guac, right?
Yeah, we were going to
Right. Thank God.
See? Yep, she's doing some tableside guac.
Let me put these things on right. Give me a sec.
Look at Lexi. Thank you, Lexi.
Thank you. Are you even allowed to? I think some people do it and their babies survive, but
Guys, there's an eclipse tonight. It looks so cool. I don't know if you guys can tell. I'm trying to get it to focus. It doesn't look like that in person. Good morning, guys. It's Monday. I'm at the hair salon. Let me turn this down. I got home kind of late last night and watched the eclipse. It was so cool. Just about to get my hair done. I stayed up till like 2 in the morning watching Vampire Diaries, so I am so exhausted. But anywho, I'm gonna go in. I'll show you guys my hair in just a bit. Hello. Hi guys. So I just got out of my hair appointment. Obsessed with my hair. I'm about to go get a coffee real quick and then head home. And it's so sunny out and I don't have to be anywhere until like 5 today and it's only 11:30, so I'm gonna lay out and maybe go for a swim with my dog again. I've done that every day since I've been here and it's just been the best for my soul. But it is so hot out. It is 90 degrees. I have my AC cranked the heck up. But yeah, let's just go there. Guys, I just went to Courtyard Cafe. I got my favorite coffee from there. It's an iced hazelnut latte with almond milk. If you're ever there, you should try this because it's so freaking good. But I am just headed home now. I'm gonna go lay out and then going to dinner tonight with my friend Madison and Destiny, so I'm super excited. Love it.
But you love him?
Love it. Hi guys, I didn't really vlog much today. I've been so busy, but I went to the chiropractor this morning. I got adjusted, which was phenomenal. And then I went to a dentist appointment and I had lunch at Cage Street, which I'll insert on my sushi here. What is happening to my radio? And now I just came home. I changed and I'm about to go do Pilates. which also I'm super excited about. But I went to Luma today and they have their new summer menu, and I got this drink called the Cloud9, and it's so good, and it's blue, which is even cooler. So you guys should go and check it out. But I'm gonna go right now and go do some Pilates. Guys, I just got out of my Pilates class and I am sweating. Oh my gosh, Des is calling, so gotta go. Good morning, guys. It is, what's today, Wednesday, I think. I am about to go to Baton Rouge with my grandma. We're gonna go shopping and to Whole Foods. We always do this, it's so much fun. And I don't know what I'm doing tonight. I'm trying to see if anyone wants to go to dinner, so we shall see. But it's so hot out and I'm in pants and I'm kind of regretting this decision, but I really like this outfit with pants. It didn't look cute with shorts. So I'm gonna bear through it for the fashion, you know? Guys, I bought my dog this like frozen yogurt for dogs, and it's bacon and peanut butter, so I'm about to go give it to Bella and see how she likes it. But I thought this was the coolest thing I've ever seen, and it was at Whole Foods, so I had to get it. Are you excited for this? You smell it? Sit. No, sit. Sit. Good, Bella. Okay, you want it? Hold on. Do you love it? Hi guys, it is now Thursday. I'm about to head out, but I wanted to show you guys my outfit. I just have on the skirt from Princess Polly. The top is also Princess Polly. This is from Kittenish. I have my Air Force Ones on. I'm about to go have lunch in Mandeville and then probably stop at Oh Darling, so let's get going. Hi guys, I just got done with lunch. I went to Oh Darling, got the cutest stuff today, so I'll have to show you guys that when I get home. I had lunch today with Miss Celeste. She did like acting and modeling and stuff over here, and I went to her studio for that, so that was super fun to catch up with her and have lunch. We went to Chifunctious. I had the best gnocchi. I didn't vlog while I was there, but it was so good. And then I just decided I wanted to drive to the lakefront because I was like 10 minutes away, and I was like, why not? It's such a nice day. I was gonna come to Blint Juice Bar, but they're like shut down, so it's kind of sad, but it's so hot out and I felt like I needed to come here for my mental health and my sanity, so I did. So that's what I'm doing now. Hi guys, it's now Saturday. I'm so sweaty right now. I've been outside for hours. I just got back from Destiny's gender reveal. She's having a boy, but I just got back home. I'm gonna go and like freshen up because I'm just like disgusting right now. And then I'm meeting my friend Olivia for drinks. We're gonna go get margaritas at La Carreta, and then I'm meeting my friend Dylan and I get to meet his girlfriend, which I'm super excited about after that. So we're going to dinner. But yeah, that's what's going on. I wanted to show you guys what I got from Oh Darling. So first I got this cute little like pearl necklace, and it has just like red hearts on it. I thought it was so cute. And then they had these little seashell clips. They're just like pink and sparkly, and I feel like that would be perfect for summer. It's so cute. I'm literally obsessed with those. And then I got a couple of tops. This one is just like a cute little crop cardigan, and I really like the material of it. And then it has these cute little buttons on it as well, so I thought that was super pretty. And then I got this like blue flower shirt. It just like is open in the front and ties right here, and it's super like lightweight, so I feel like it'll be super cute with like white shorts or something. I don't know. But I'm now back in Nashville. I literally just woke up and I wanted to end the vlog off for you guys so I can get it posted. But thank you guys so much for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe, and don't forget to stay stellar. All right, bye guys.
hundreds by the thousand.